YouTube family? I wasn't going to motovlog, but I said, screw it. Why not? I spent the entire day editing videos. Actually, no, I lied. I spent the entire night, well, I partially lied. I spent the entire night, up until about 4 o'clock in the morning, editing the last couple of videos. And I wasn't going to start the video on this one because I was like, same old route, same old crap. You know, I need something new, but I can't take a local route, unfortunately, because of the fact that I, yet again, am running late. As usual. It seems to be a pattern here and I can't fix it. But again, this neutral, I can never find it, ever. I need a GPS to find neutral for this thing. Sheesh. I tried to fix the audio with the placement of the microphone, but I think it's the helmet itself. Could be the material, because the material on the AGV helmet is carbon fiber. This is I don't know what material this is, to be honest. I know it's not carbon fiber, but whatever the material they use on this is pretty light also. It's not a bad helmet, it's just different. And the mic placement just, I don't know, it sounds muffled and I can't fix it. I even tried with EQ on the back end, and this is the best I can do. Like the mic placement is in a perfect position. So I don't know whether to stuff it back further into the cheek pad away from the mouth, or I don't know. And I'm kind of a perfectionist, so it's really bothering me. When somebody brings something to my attention, say, hey, you know, your microphone doesn't sound just as good as your previous videos, that's going to bother me. Right now I'm headed to work. After work, I'm going to be headed to, hopefully, bike night. The last bike night of 2021. After that, I don't know how many more bike nights I'm going to go to, because I have to steer away from people. I have my mask. This time I have my mask in my jacket, like I said last time. It's the best thing you can do, because it is now a necessity. Come on, light. Are we really gonna stay here forever and a day and a million years? Because a brother gotta go. Gots to go. Ah, man, come on. This light takes forever. Let's go. Let's go. Hey, let's go. Woo! Goes on his visor, baby. We're back again. Currently now on Holden Avenue in Orlando. Traffic is screwed everywhere. Like, I'm headed down to Ace Cafe. Everything started at 6 o'clock. I'm running a little bit behind, as per usual. Can't expect any less, right? I'm starting to feel the effects of being up so late. Yeah, I'm starting to feel the effects. It's I'm getting a little tired, but I want to go out and enjoy this this little time, just to kind of chill out. Well, if you're gonna go in. I'm letting you in, my friend. I'm just gonna go this way, and then I'm somehow get in front of everyone, I guess. I could lane split, but that's how you do it. Get around everyone. Oh man, that's why I love bikes. That right there just made things just made everything so much more seamless. Let's go. All right, we're ready to hit I-4, which is one of the worst interstates that there is. Let's see, we shall see how traffic is. I'm gonna get in front of you. That was such a Florida move, jeez.
Get wild.